He's got little babies. Got little babies. Hey, look at that.
Hello fellas, this is Alan with the R6. Welcome to a new video from my motorcycle trip in Scotland. In this episode we are riding from Duntulm viewpoint on the Isle of Skye all the way down to Glamaig the Red Hills, where we're gonna camp for the night. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Hey!
This will be the best. It's a stunning view, fellas. Scotland is beautiful. Isle of Skye is... I cannot find the words.
Wow. Here on the Isle of Skye, every little road that you take and every little corner, the landscape embrace you. The sceneries, the views are just out of this world. Simply stunning. The Isle of Skye, or simply Skye, is one of the largest major islands in Scotland. This island is 639 square miles. It's the second largest island in Scotland after Lewis and Harris. The coastline of Skye is a series of peninsulas and bays radiating out from the center, dominated by the Quilines Hills, the rocky slopes of which provides some of the most dramatic mountain scenery in the country.
Everything's white here, look. Looks fantastic. How can you wake up in the morning with this view, eh? Wow. When you think these views are getting better, they surprise you with something else. Look at this view!
Wow. Ready to go? Yeah, a second.
Fly. Tem razão, hein?
This is Glamaig. It's the highest of the Red Hills, a great cone of scree whose ascent is unforgiving and the scene of the famously punishing hill race. It is one of the best viewpoints on Skye. Glamaig is the northernmost of the Red Hills on the Isle of Skye in Scotland. It is one of the only two corbeats on Skye. From many angles, the hill reassembles a perfect cone of scree. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, as a lot more videos are coming from my motorcycle trip in Scotland. Ride safe and ride with me.